think I'd be worried about time when you did the first level in 1 minute flat.
I'm still gonna be worried about time because we don't have editing software anymore.
Funny.
No, straight up, we just
I'm
don't.
not saying that, oh, funny joke now, really, where is that? I'm like, that's hilarious. But it's rude.
We are so fucked. And there's Big's house.
The hell is that?
The music.
Sound like fucking someone really wants to hit something. Wow, I like how both of the upgrades are very close to Big's house.
Well, yeah.
There's the rod, there's a lure under his bed, and then there's the lure that is fucking right outside his door.
Yeah. I think there's another upgrade inside the next level.
Jesus Christ, the fucking Big's gonna be a little stacked character.
He has the most upgrades. What does Sonic have? Lightspeed shoes, that crystal ring, and the fucking ancient life. Oh, by the way, God of ladder climbing. Wait a minute,
yeah,
hang
so
on.
much, so godly that he can't even climb the damn thing.
Okay,
Fastest ladder climber in the entire game.
there you go.
I guess it's
Up
because
top.
the levels are usually so slow for people that they thought, let's not make them suffer with the ladder.
No, okay, let's not make anyone suffer when Big's climbing the ladder. However, the guy who can fucking scale walls, the guy who can run faster than sound, the fucker who can fly, the Eggman robot, and Amy Rose are all going to be noticeably slower. Yeah.
They clearly have a lot of upper arm strength because of that hammer.
I mean, yeah,
and
they have a lot of...
robot can most likely fly.
Amy has been training herself to keep up with Sonic. Sonic is the fastest being in this fucking world. Knuckles is the strongest being in this fucking world.
He can't lift a car.
Tails can fly. Tails can just straight up fucking fly. The Eggman robot? Okay, fair enough, I guess. But isn't that built to keep up with Sonic or something?
Yeah.
And then there's Big, who just slaps them all at the ladder climbing contest.
Alright, see if we can find a lure.
It's gonna be in another area. This is the area Froggy is in.
Obviously, the lure should be on the other side of the map.
Probably. Let's not run into spikes, shall we?
Why are there so many spikes for a fishing level?
In case people wanted to explore. But you know what? It's fair game in my book.
Base levels don't really encourage you to explore them. Also, isn't this how you get, like, the fucking boulder so you can get the Froggy?
No, the boulder's, like, right there.
Also, can't you just jump off and do the exact same shit? The exact same damage as the boulder, just by jumping off and landing.
You can, actually.
Hey, boulder. He is extremely strong.
You even jump while holding this.
No one else is this strong.
Watch.
Fucking skeleton.
Dinosaurs canonically exist in the Sonic universe.
They've shown that they fucking died. And it's like a fucking aquatic dinosaur, which means that they could have caught this.
It looks more like a T-Rex. Just got fucking caught in the ice.
That's spring lakes then. I don't see any. That's why I assume it's aquatic. Hit spring. There we go. Hey, boulder, how'd you get here? The boulder. Ah! What the?
There's the rest of the skeleton.
There's another ice thing you can break through. What? Big sense that he was gonna take damage immediately. Top that, isn't it? Also, these holes do not have a timer. They do not care how long you take. Apparently.
Yeah. I'm gonna carry this boulder all the way to Froggy.
Why?
Because goddammit, I want to.
Well, obstruct vision.
Oh, fuck it.
What is happening? Oh, a robot. Shit, a robot.
I went the wrong fucking way. That's what's happening. And I can't carry that all the way to Froggy.
Eh.
Or maybe I can.
No.
Just gotta go back the way I came. With one jump, Big can get up to full speed.
Uh-oh, a hail.
This is fucking nothing for the actual Sonic God. I didn't even have to land on the thing.
So that leads to the upgrade, right? Or is that from?
This is not where I'm supposed to be. Anyway, I heard the boulder break something.
No, it just broke itself.
No, it broke this bit of ice.
Ah. Also the extremely light blue like 54.
Yo, I don't fucking know. Hey, you kicked me out very well, like earlier.
Yeah, there's nothing in here.
There we are.
Jesus Christ. You're 4 lives. Unkept meant to have 9. You and your mission to carry this boulder is gonna like fucking add 20 minutes into the entire fucking timer.
Okay, so it looks like we're gonna have to sort of go through this. There we are. Wait, no, get me the speed up shoes. The ice needed to capture Froggy has been broken. Hang on, I'd like to get closer to the fucking water.
Okay, now. Back. Oh boy.
Ah, so I have to stand that far back, do I?
Why can't Big just catch them with his hands? Fucking already? Usually you ever do like 20 minutes of coercion. Maybe you got sick and tired of waiting and then just went, fuck it, I'll just go.
Through the ice! Do I need to show you how Big is more powerful than God here?
6 minutes 46.
This is why he got onto a fucking racetrack and fearlessly just fucking walked across it. For merch.
About Froggy.
Yeah. I
Well,
heard
it's
Froggy
nighttime
has a
already.
modeling career. Yeah, I spent a long time getting that upgrade.
For so long that Froggy got sick and tired of waiting and just wanted to be captured. And now it's night.
So this place is boring. Where's that fat cat so I can get out of here?
You know, freedom doesn't really suit me. Never mind, it's cold, it's cold. As soon as I get
Well.
wiped out, it's really fucking cold. Get me away from here.
Well, I am an amphibian.
There he is. Kill the fox. Kill the fox. Get your friend. You're gonna crush him. Fucking Tails must be shitting himself.
He has been faced with God.
Is that his fucking catchphrase? Oh, now what am I gonna do? Because he said that like 3 times already.
He's not an idiot.
Every
He's
time he
considering his options.
Considering his options. Hey, to Cal, know where we should go? Got it. Murder the people at Station Square until they give me the right answer.
Hear you clear and not very loud. Sorry, could you speak up?
Sorry, the rain and crickets are being a bit loud.
They're having a noise war. Why? I don't know.
How do you know this?
I can talk to the f***ing rain.
Why?
Tends to happen when you live with a water monster for centuries. Next time.